I have planted enough trees to offset my travels. So I have no impact on the environment.
Well, actually, it is a little bit more complicated than that. Carbon offsetting means paying others to reduce or prevent carbon emissions in order to compensate for one's own emissions, which provides a carbon credit. You might have heard a lot of companies offering such a solution and refer to it as carbon-free or carbon-neutral travel. However, it raises a number of issues. Some experts have even referred to it as a license to pollute. One of the most commonly used methods is planting trees. And it is true that forests are one of our best lines of defense against climate change and need to be protected. However, there needs to be some nuancing as far as what this type of offsetting can actually accomplish. For instance, it can take a newly planted tree several decades to capture the emitted amount of CO2. And that is only if the tree stays intact and is not damaged by deforestation, droughts, and heat waves, which will only increase with climate change. In December 2022, an investigation claimed that up to 90% of forest-based carbon credits approved by the biggest standard worldwide are phantom credits, meaning that they do not actually represent a concrete carbon reduction. Using land alone to remove the world's carbon emissions to achieve worldwide net zero by 2050 would require at least 1.6 billion hectares of new forest, equivalent to 5 times the size of India, or more than all the farmland on the planet. In short, can we offset our way out of climate change? The answer is no.